make a bag it up, make a bag it up, make it good, make a bag it up, 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 bag it up.
I got them shaking their booties like condos, man. I'm shaking the city like paper. Haze blowing their faces like John Joe. Cause I'm drinking the cake, so let's play, girl. I'm taking the game's mine. Y'all witness the change, it's my time. Yeah, I'm new to the game, but y'all might wanna say you whack raps, they like saving time. I can dance all day, I don't two-step. Y'all looking at something like a true girl. A girl told me that a man that can dance might can possibly get down with the tool in his hand. Now I'm a ladies, let me see it vibrate. And when it's over, you ain't gon' need your bird. Cause I'm a pro, make you bend your back low and the powder real bad, just like the purple.
Come on, cuz. Come on. Watch my wife. I don't say big girls, little girls, I say it like this. Hey ladies.
Make a bag it up, make a bag
That's how it says, black. Hey ladies.
make a bag it up,
I don't care what you look like. Hey ladies.
make a bag it up, make a bag it up,
Hey ladies.
make a bag.
All the ladies put their hands up for me one time. Come on, ladies.
Girl, wobble it, and I'm a gobble.
Hello.
I say you moving your head bobble. You can cradle the bed, I'm straight ragged, and the girl see me.
Watch my wife.
Yeah, I'm so expensive, but I can't help my flow ridiculous. Boy, got a gift like it gotta be Christmas. I swag on this like it gotta be gifted. The girls on cameras and they want pictures and they gon' frame them. You see that? I'm never gonna live while I'm saying the scriptures. Cause I leave you holy like you pray in the temple. I move with a letter of pencil. And my bro bless you, good night kiss you. Tell you damn bad, cause you got pistol. And I don't think Donnie Wicker on these issues.
Hello. Come on. For my old school players, I'm gonna mix up stuff. We're gonna do a 20-minute workout. I'm gonna make you kill yourself. Y'all know what I do. If you can hide, you can hide.
Hey, big girl, make a bag it up.
We're gonna start out with the Macarena. I got a mix gonna hurt your heart.